Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this 3D cube animation on CapCut PC. Okay, make sure your picture is kind of like long, well not super long, but there you go. Go to effects and type in neon, and you're going to want to add the neon filter in there. Then add in the edge glow as well in the side of the video and adjust the glow to your liking. You can also add in the angel filter effect and adjust the strength as well. Go to media, go to library, and select the color that you want the glow to be. And I'm just going to select this pink color because I love pink. Go to blend mode and select linear burn. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and just go to animation, go to combo, and select cube. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!